Hello. Welcome to the channel. Today we'll see how to create animated bar chart which describes your skills using HTML and CSS. First we'll create two files. I named it as main.css and main.html. In main.html, I will create a HTML skeleton. I will have the title as skill chart. Now let's link the external CSS file. Now for body of HTML page, I will have the height and width of 100%. Padding of about 20 pixels. And background color for my HTML page. Inside body tag, create a div with a class name container. This div acts as the container div for HTML page. Inside this container div I will be having heading as skills. Create another div inside container div and name the class as inner chart container. Inside this div let's have the span tag for displaying the name of the skill. Now let's have the CSS for newly created div classes. I want my div to be center aligned, so I am making margin as 0 auto. In order to have rounded border, I will make the border radius as 12 pixels. Now let's have the box shadow to get neomorphism effect for the container div. Let's check the output. Here we can see the neomorphism effect on the div. Let's make this heading to be centered. So I am writing inline CSS for H2 tag and making it text align center. Now we want another container to display the bar chart. I'll have the height of about 15 pixels and width about 98%. To have rounded borders, make border radius as 12 pixels and padding of about 15 pixels. I want the background color same as the body tag. And box shadow is same as the above class. Now let's check the output. So let's create another div to display path of the bar chart. And name the class as inner chart. Let's have CSS for this class. I will have height as 100%. Width as 90%. To make the div center aligned, I will give margin as 0 auto. I will use the background color and box shadow same as the above class, and make box shadow to display inset. Using inset will display a shadow inside a container. Now let's check the output. I want the border to be rounded. So make border radius as 12 pixels. I want to move this container to the right. So I am making float as right. Now let's check the output. Now I want to display chart inside this container. So I am creating another div with class names chart bar and I will give some width. This width specifies the length of the chart you want to display. Now let's have the CSS for chart bar. I will give height as 100% and some background color. I want chart to have rounded border, so let's have border radius 12 px. Now let's do it for other skills. I'll copy and paste for other skills and change the span text. Let's check the output. We want a space after each div. So we'll give margin top for inner chart container as 20 pixels. Let's change the width for the chart bar. As I already told, this width specifies the width of the chart which you want to display. Let's check the output. Now I want to animate this chart when the page loads. So I give keyframes with animation name which has initial width of 10%. I will also give animation property for chart bar. If you liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.